Hola. Okay, so what we're gonna be talking about today is the impersonal expressions. So these are used when we make or to make generalizations, when we give advice, or also opinions, but not necessarily saying I think or this is my advice. It's more like more general. Okay, it's impersonal. And so an example would be es necesario comer bien para estar sano. So here we're saying it's necessary. It's necessary, right? So es is going to be it's every single time. It's necessary to eat well in order to be healthy. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see when we use these impersonal expressions. And so, like I said, they do not have specific things or people as subjects, right? So we're saying, for example, here, it's important to study a lot in school. Es importante estudiar mucho en la escuela. So they refer to people in general and often used to make generalizations, just like I said at the beginning, when we give advice or, just to express an opinion. And so there's two types. We can say two types. The common ones are that we use it's, like it's. So it's going to be es, right? The verb to be, ser. So, para llevar un estilo de vida saludable es importante comer bien. So, to have a healthy lifestyle, it's important to eat well. We're using the normal impersonal expression when we say it's something. It's a good idea to exercise regularly. Es buena idea hacer ejercicio regularmente. And the last one, es indispensable llevar una vida sana y activa. So here's like it's indispensable. It's really important to have a healthy and active life or lifestyle. And the other type of impersonal expressions is that when we don't use the es in something else, we use another type of phrases. So we say, for example, no se debe, like one shouldn't do that. One, like anybody, persons or people shouldn't do that. So, no se debe llevar una vida sedentaria. So we're saying here it's like a one, anybody shouldn't have a sedentary life. Because of course we know that sometimes they say that illnesses it may hit us if we don't have an active lifestyle. Or another expression that we use with as an impersonal expression it's hay que. Again, we're using the verb haber in this case. It's like it is necessary. It's another way to say it is necessary. Hay que evitar las comidas altas en calorías. So it is necessary. Someone, everybody, people in general should avoid food high in calories. And the last one, this is the negation here, and this is the affirmation, like one must eat vegetables and meat with a little bit of fat, not too fatty in general. So meats that are not too fatty. So se debe consumir verduras y carnes con poca grasa. So I have a list, 2 slides where I show you this impersonal expression. So, es bueno, es común, es difícil, es dudoso, es extraño, es fácil, es importante, es imposible, es increíble. The next one. Es indispensable. Es una lástima, es malo, es mejor, es necesario, es posible, es preciso, es probable, es urgente. As you can see, every time we need to use es and then anything that we want to say. Some of them are cognates, so meaning that they are the same, they mean the same in English and Spanish. Urgente, urgent. Probable, probable, right? Posible, possible. Necesario, necessary. See, some of them are very similar. So more examples. Es importante hacer ejercicios regularmente. So I'm giving you a bunch of examples here how we use this. And also every time that we use an impersonal expression, we can use the verb in the infinitive, as you can see here. And they are highlighted or color-coded in purple. So to exercise. In this case, hacer ejercicio. So hacer. Es imposible ascender en el trabajo sin trabajar mucho. So ascender, to get promoted. See? Here we have it in the infinitive. Hay que dormir lo suficiente. So one needs to have enough sleep. So we're using the infinitive again. So this is the presentation for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see each other next time. Ciao.